Hello guys, in today's episode, we learn how to share media from an Android phone, laptop or desktop computer to a smart TV. When it comes to TV and entertainment, nothing beats a smart TV. The options you have to get media on your TV are just so many. DVD players, flash disks, hard disks, to streaming content via YouTube, Netflix and many other streaming apps. But we all want to play that movie in our laptop on the big screen. In most cases, we just plug in an HDMI cable and we are good to go. Problem sets in when you want to use the laptop and still have movies or whatever video playing on the TV. I know one can play a movie on one screen and work on the other, but this will keep distracting you since you have to constantly be cautious not to mess with the videos playing on the smart TV. Most smart TVs support a technology called DLNA. DLNA allows one to stream media from devices connected to a network such as laptops, smartphones or NAS, network attached storages, to the TV. The beauty of this setup is you never have to worry about connection with an HDMI cable, and the person with the TV remote has access to all media you share from the TV interface. Most importantly, you don't have to be the DJ. Let's cut into the chase. You need a smart TV, a router, and an Android phone or a computer. I will start with the Android phone. Install DLNA Server app from Play Store and open. The link is in the description below. You will then disable battery optimization for the app from the settings menu, otherwise Android will keep killing it after a few minutes in the background. Tap on the plus button at the top right. Then on the path to media, tap the 3 button and allow access to media in your device. Then browse to your media folder and tap the tick at the top. I have added the video folder. Before you start your media server, ensure that the smart TV and phone are connected to the same network. If you don't have a router, just create a hotspot on your phone and connect the smart TV to the network. You actually don't need internet for this to work. After you're done, start the server, as sometimes it may fail to start if you're connected to the internet, so you might need to disconnect internet temporarily, then reconnect after you're done starting. You should now be able to see the media server from your TV interface. Let's go to the TV and see if your media server is available. I'm using an LG Smart TV, so you might need to check out how DLNA works on your Smart TV. Browse to see your media files and enjoy streaming right from your Android phone. Now let's do the laptop and desktop computer. We are going to use a software called Tversity Media Server. It has both a paid and free version. For this tutorial, I will use the free version. Open your favorite browser and search for Tversity, or open www.tversity.com. Download the free version. You have to register your email where they will send the link to download. Find the installation file in your download folder and start the installation. I will check that it starts the sharing service automatically after a reboot. And then I will uncheck the default Windows media folders since my media is located somewhere else in the computer. I will not subscribe to any web content since I plan to use it offline anyway. I will click OK to install the 32-bit version codec pack, then click Finish and check Start the Tversity Media Server. The server starts at the sharing media interface right away. Use this hamburger icon to access other settings. We are going to add a few folders that contain my media and configure a few items to our liking. I will click New to add a media source. This brings a window here where I will browse the folder containing my media. Let me start with my animations folder. I will give it the name animation. This is the name that will appear on your TV. Then I will use this more button. I will uncheck audio and photo because I know there are none of them. Then click OK. I will add some more folders specifying the content in each folder. but this is not actually necessary. After I'm done with that, I will tweak some few settings. I will start from General, check Automatic Start. I will also change Library to Files and Folders. This will make it easier to locate the folders on the TV interface. I will then go to Server and change the name to one I can easily identify on the Smart TV. Under Transcode, I will leave it to default when needed. I will then click Test System Performance. This will automatically set the best configuration for your system. Mine sets at 720p. Let me stick to that value. A more powerful computer would definitely push the resolution higher. Then save the configuration. You're probably wondering what transcode is for. Well, sometimes, just sometimes, your Smart TV, also known as the renderer in this kind of setup, may be unable to play some formats or some profiles of some video formats. If you have selected your device in the settings General, the media server converts unsupported video formats on the fly to a format that the Smart TV can play. This is a resource-intensive task, that's why the resolution may be significantly lower than what your Smart TV is capable of playing. If you have not set up a device, you're likely to experience many unsupported formats depending on the capability of your Smart TV. If you experience such, do select a device, and if you can't find it in the list, look for a device that is close to yours. Start your media server from this hamburger menu if it has not already done so. Before you start your media server, ensure that the Smart TV and computer are connected to the same network. If you don't have a router, you could create a hotspot with your Android phone and connect both TV and computer to the network. Better yet, you can also create a hotspot on your laptop through this guide here. Let's go to the TV and see if our media server is available. Note that the previous media server is still available. That's because you can connect as many media servers as possible. And that's why it's actually advisable you give it a name that you can easily identify. If you have completed those steps successfully, you can now stream content from your laptop to your TV without having to worry about HDMI cables or any other type of cable. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials.